waits on the other side, stronger than ever.
Landing Victor shifted, worried about faulting the vicious snake again. As if to comfort him, his worried about faulting the vicious snake again. As if to comfort him, his mimic pet approached him with a rainbow crest, offering it to his master.
Anybody in there? Hey. Oh, dude.
Hey, guards, I catch up to you. Go rush it. I risk it.
Hands up!
Anything I can, like I've been doing. Y'all arrested me.
You got an ID on you?
Let's say they took it for no reason.
Who did?
The Jacksonville officer. It's like
Let's head straight down to see what Milo's got going on. And whoa.
So I have to take care of, and we're in a drought. Oh!
Oh my gosh, what happened?
I am at Naval Base San Diego. United States Navy.
Are you okay?
Out of the car.
Got it, bro.
What are you doing, dude?
I'm having fun, bro.
Let's go.
And I'll take full responsibility. I understand. I was having fun. I didn't want to do it in the road, though.
Hold on.
My fault.
Is this a new car?
Yes, sir, boss man.
When'd you get it?
3 days ago.
When'd you get it?
3 days ago.
Did you? All right. So that's.
你是大个爷，要么去哪？哦。